Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to leave your Clash Royale clan, considering that this clan is already inactive or you just want to join to a new clan. First, you need to log into your Clash Royale account, and then after logging in, you need to click the Clash Royale clan icon that you can see in the bottom right corner of the screen. After clicking this, it will show the chats or the status of your clan in this interface. Click the clan title on the top position of the screen, and then it will show a pop-up where it includes all the members inside the clan and also the leave button. Click the leave button. Before confirming it, decide first if you really want to leave this clan. Once you have decided, click the OK button, and then it will automatically remove you to the past clan. And that's how you can leave a Clash Royale clan. And thank you for listening.